What is up, you guys? So today I am going to be doing a long-awaited wig review. This wig review is going to be sponsored by FANCIVIVI, and this is how the wig came in this bag right here. But before we get into what's inside the bag, they do give you these black cards that come with coupon codes and how to care for your wig and a little bit about FANCIVIVI itself, the company. So that's cute. Opening up the bag. Oh my goodness, y'all. I've been waiting to open up this bag. Oh my. Here's the wig. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm gonna have to stand up to show y'all this wig because this is a 36-inch wig right here. But let me just set this down because we do have some goodies in the bag. Yes, I love goodies. Okay, so we got a wig cap with lashes, and then you have some hair jewelry if you want to put those on your braids. So that's nice that they give you the wig cap. And then also, okay, we got a silk bonnet here. That feels like a nice bonnet. So you get your nice silk little black bonnet. And then also we have our FANCIVIVI. This looks like a, I need some scissors. Hold on. Oh, okay, yes. We have the FANCIVIVI. This is to melt that lace down. That elastic. All right, we're gonna use that for sure today. All right, so I'm gonna stand up, y'all, because we got to get into this wig real quick because I'm getting like super excited now after I done pulled it out this bag. This thing is cute. All righty, you guys. So first, look at this wig coming out of the net, y'all. I'm gonna need some humble pie today because I'm gonna think I'm cute when I put this wig on. Oh my goodness. Look at this wig, you guys. This is a full lace wig. Do you know what that means? Full lace. Full lace means you can style this wig however you want to. Look at that. Look at that. This is a 360. Look at all this lace, and the baby hairs is baby herring. Look at this. Okay, so let's get on the inside here. So you have clips on the side. You got an adjustable strap at the bottom, so you can adjust it, the combs. Then you have another elastiband here. This is for protection, and then it also has the grip. So this wig ain't going nowhere. Do you hear me? And you can even adjust this. But let's get into it, y'all. Let's get close up on it. Look at this wig. Look at this wig. Oh my goodness. I am going to have fun styling this unit. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so I always do the ball cap method and I put makeup on mine, and I'm gonna put makeup on this, and I use the Ruby Kisses cream foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub some of that on the inside to make this a little bit darker. But y'all, look at this wig. Look at it. Oh my gosh. And the baby hairs. Oh my Lord. Oh Jesus. This is lovely. This is beautiful. Look at this wig, y'all. Look at this wig. And this is the Boho medium knotless box braids with curls. The length again is 36 inches. I've never had hair this long before, you guys, never. The cost of this unit is $199.99, and the color is Boho Black. This is 100% hand-tied full HD lace, y'all. Yes! And the wig size, because I know a lot of people want to know about the circumference of the wig. This is 22.5 to 23 inches, and this is the only size option. And what else can I tell y'all about this? Okay, It has that natural scalp look, as you can see. I can't get enough of showing y'all what this scalp look like. Oh my goodness. And this is premium Japanese synthetic fiber hair. It's soft, it's silky. All the braids are the same size, you guys. Same size. Let me get y'all close up on the braids itself. Look at these braids. Okay, and it's lightweight. The color doesn't fade, and it doesn't have a smell. You know how sometimes when you get wigs, they have like a smell and you need to wash them? This wig does not have a smell whatsoever. This is going to definitely be a quick install. You're not going to have to do pretty much anything except for cut the lace. So basically what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to cut the lace off of the back here, and then I'm going to go ahead and get my inside colored with my Ruby Kisses cream, and then we'll be right back. Alrighty, you guys, so I got the lace cut off the back, and then I did go ahead and tint that inside cap so that way it looks more realistic. But this is what it looks like, you guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and place the wig on and see if there's anything that I need to cut off of it. Ooh, child. Move my mirror up. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Simply amazing. I haven't even done much yet. Oh my goodness. First thing I want to see. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. For all my alopecia sisters, you can get this wig and feel beautiful and look beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let me see if there's anything that I need to cut off of here or if this is going to work. I'm just going to first pull this to the back so I can get the braids out of my face. And then I'm going to clip the baby hairs up as well. So now that I got it on, and oh my gosh, you guys, this feels amazing on my head. And I was worried about my braids at first. Was it gonna make it look bumpy? And it doesn't look bumpy. The wig is a little bit too big for my head, but it feels great on my head. It's lightweight, like you can hardly tell that it's there. It's breathable. Oh my goodness. Look at this scalp, y'all. This is amazing. Let's see here. I feel like I need to cut, but I can save my braid. I don't have to cut my braid because I didn't want to have to lose one. Let me see here. Here's my ear. Oh, shoot. It's kind of iffy. Oh, it's kind of iffy. I don't know yet. Give me 1 minute, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and pin these baby hairs. Alrighty, you guys. So I was really trying not to lose a braid, and I was able to save my braids. I kind of snipped a little bit on the sides, but I was still able to keep all of my braids. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Ghost Bond to glue this wig down. I normally don't use glue on my hair because I can only do glue for like so many days and then I start getting irritated. This is the only glue that I can use. And then after like maybe 4 days of my wig install is when I start to feel a little irritated. And that's about as long as I need to have this wig on for, just to get me to the end of the week. So I'm going to do 1 layer of this, and then I'm going to lay my wig down. Alrighty, you guys, so that is gonna be it for this look. Let's see, it's super cute, y'all. And off camera, of course, I did my baby hairs because I'm forever trying to slay some edges. So let me get up real quick because I want y'all to see how long this wig is. And I'm 5'8.5", you guys. Remember, this wig is 36 inches long. Okay, so it goes to my butt. This is the front part of it. I love it. Look at this wig, you guys. Oh my goodness. I can actually pull it up into a ponytail. Look at that. The braids go all the way down. Now, normally I couldn't braid my own hair this far down because I have alopecia and real thin edges here, so I could never get this style. But I'm loving this wig for the simple fact that I actually get to wear this style now. So to all my alopecia babies out there, if you just thought that you couldn't get this hairstyle, there's an alternative. You can get this wig. This wig is absolutely amazing. I love it. I don't really feel like I have anything on my head at all. It's lightweight, you guys. And I'm just about to go out here and just do the dang on thing. Oh my goodness, you guys. For the new subscribers, there's going to be a coupon code in the description box. I'm also going to leave the link to this wig that I am wearing right now, just in case you guys want to check this wig out. And if you guys have any questions or comments, you know, leave them for me down below. Yes, honey. And I will see y'all on another video real soon. And don't forget to slay them edges.